Hello students, welcome again in our online study class. This is our fourth video and we are on page number 6, and today we will learn about French Revolution. French Revolution, and in the last video we learned about the American War of Independence, Age of Revolution, Revolution in political sphere, and we also learn about George Washington and the American War of Independence. Now here French Revolution. This French Revolution and American War of Independence have its own importance in the study of modern Indian history. It had its own importance because this French Revolution and American War of Independence puts its impacts on the world's history. So we will learn in short about the French Revolution. In 1789 AD, Anno Domini, or 1789, the people of France revolted against the uncontrolled and unjust monarchy and feudalism and established a republic. Now see, the people of French in the year 1789, they revolt against the uncontrolled and unjust monarchy. Means the peoples, they were trying to make the slave to the other, or they think that they have the right only to serve the god and to do the religious work. This, and the feudalism is the, it is the new term which started in the 8th century in Europe, that the kings or the rulers has to serve the peoples, those goes to fight, that is feudalism, and established a republic. And the people of France, they revolted against this monarchy and against feudalism and established a republic. And this event is known as the French Revolution. The revolt against uncontrolled and unjust monarchy and feudalism in the period in the year 1789 in French. This particular event is known as the French Revolution, and the French Revolution gave to the world the three values of liberty, equality and fraternity. And this French Revolution give a very important message, or we can say gave the world three values, that is liberty, equality and fraternity. These three values were given to the world by the French Revolution in the year 1789, and this put an impact on the modern world history. Among the political revolution, the American War of Independence and French Revolution have a very important place in the study of modern Indian history or in the study of European history. These two things, or these two events, has its own importance, that is American War of Independence and the French Revolution. American War of Independence, it was between George Washington's army or England, and finally George Washington or the United States won it, and the new state or the new continent came into existence, that is United States, and the democracy was born in the United States. And later on, this French Revolution. Now Industrial Revolution. In the latter period of 18th century, now we are at 18th century, there were many technological innovations in Europe. At the latter period or in the 8th century, many technological innovations in Europe were started, there was production with the help of machines running on steam. The cottage industries were replaced by big factories. Machines came to be used instead of handlooms. Railway and steamer became the mode of transportation. The age of machine began, and that is known as industrial revolution. And in the 18th century, most of the new techniques came into existence. The people were trying to produce many of the things with the help of machines, and running the machines which were running on steam, and because of that the percentage of production of their things were increased. Then the factories, means cottage industry, the people initially the peoples were trying to make their things at home only, means on the small scale, but because of the innovations, technological innovations, the peoples they set up the big factories, and with the help of machines they were doing the work on the large scale. And instead of handlooms, the machines were used in Europe to increase the production of their things. Railway and steamer became the mode of transportation, and the peoples, the traders, were using railway and steamer to transport their things. And this particular age, the age of machine began, and that is known as industrial revolution. Means in the European countries, 18th century technological innovation, new industries, and this age of machine is also known as industrial revolution. And industrial revolution began in England and then spread in other parts of West. During this period, England enjoyed industrial prosperity and came to be described as world factory. First, this industrial revolution, it began in England, and with the help of these new innovations, England tried to enjoy this industrial prosperity. And this particular place, England, it is described as a world factory. Means world factory, whatever big factories, large scale production, machineries, transport, these all things were available in England. So in 18th century, this England were known as the world factory. And the peoples, they were giving the preference because whatever they have made, it was on machine, so it took the less time, and because of that they sell it on the low price. And because of them, in India also it impacts, and in other countries also. And the handloom industries, the value of these handlooms and handloom workers became decreasing, and they also needs to find out the new way to survive, and they were trying to work in the factories. And these things are known as industrial revolution. And England was the center point, and England was described as a world factory, right?